Hey Slack star, welcome to this video. Today I'm showing you how to download and install Slack on your desktop, whether you are setting up Slack for work, school, and just for chatting. Let's get you started fast. Let's go. First, we need to download Slack safely from its official site. Here's how. Open your web browser, type Slack download in the search bar, or go directly to http://slack.com/download. Press enter and check the download button for your system. Slack automatically detects your operating system. Now that we have the file, let's install Slack. Open the Slack setup.exe file from your download folder. Click Run and follow the simple on-screen instruction. Click on the Start menu or click the Slack on your desktop and you will see the login screen. Sign in with Google, Apple or email and boom, you are ready to chat. And if you are joining new workspace, just enter your workspace URL and Slack will take care of the rest. And there you go. You have successfully downloaded and installed Slack on your desktop. If this was helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and thank you for watching.